Hello, and welcome to the first of two short videos on the Shopper Intelligence online portal and how to use it. My name is Colin Holmes. I'm the CSS Director at Shopper Intelligence in Sydney. We have two short videos for you. The first is simply how to log on to the portal. We'll take you through the home screen, what to find there and what main areas you're going to use. We're going to look through the dashboard, which is the first of those two or three main areas you're going to look through. We're going to show you what it shows. We're going to use how to filter, how to navigate, and how to get the kind of information you will need from that. The second session, we will cover the slice and dice and the store impact module, which are the other two main areas from the home screen which you will use. Each session should last around 10 minutes. I'm going to flick now to the portal, and I'm going to log in. Now, most of you will have your username and your password. Simply type that in. The portal address is clientportal.shopperintelligence.com. If you forget your username or forget your password, you can click on the little forget password link at the bottom here, and that will email you a new password or allow you to reset your password. So once I click login, it will take me to the portal. You're then presented with a series of little panels here. Some of them are blue, some of them are grey. The ones in grey are either not available to you as a client or are in development. The ones in blue are the main areas which you can look at. The main areas I'll focus on today are My Dashboard, Slice and Dice, and Store Impact. We do have some explainer videos on the program up in this Watch Explainer videos here. So you can also navigate around, so you don't have to come back to the home screen, along this panel on the left hand side here, where each of these blue areas has a little icon. So first I'll go to My Dashboard. My Dashboard is a bit like a deck of PowerPoint slides in visual form, which you can toggle through. You can also change the retailer and the year you're looking at. So in this example, we have a chart for a decision hierarchy. Beneath that we have category role, all the different charts within the category DNA section of our program. In the view we have lots of different areas here. These compare ones will soon be going, so I would recommend you don't use those. The main one to focus on is category drill down and top 10. The top 10 will give you the top 10 ranked categories for any question and response option in our program, regardless of whether you buy those categories. So it gives you some context as to what is in the top 10, what are the best performing categories. In the category drill down, you have our four main sections within the program. You can either click on category DNA, satisfaction, path to purchase, or shopper profiling. Clicking on either one of those will show you all the different questions which sit within each of those sections. Clicking on show more allows you to just choose one within each one. So I'm going to click category role there, and it will just show me the category role question, nothing beneath that. The other filters we have up here, very importantly, are channel. Many of you will have access to multiple channels, and also year. Many of you will have access to multiple years. In this example, I've just got 2019 and 2020 Q2, which is the 12 months up to the end of Q2 2020. So once I've chosen my channel and my year, and on category drill down, chosen my section and chosen my question, I can then start filtering through. First, I need to choose what I want to look on. So I've got access to these categories. I want to look at packaged bread, and it will just update the category for packaged bread. I want to change the retailer from Coles and Woolworths to just Coles. So I do that and it updates quickly. I also have benchmarks to set. Now, changing the benchmark won't change the data points. For example, 34% is the traffic driver here for packaged bread. It won't change that 34%, but it will change what I'm comparing it against, which currently is all categories in Coles and Woolworths. All categories Coles and Woolworths is this little dash here, and it also affects the color coding. The color coding is how your category is significantly different to what your benchmark is. Now, currently, packaged bread is significantly greater traffic driver than the average of all categories in Coles and Woolworths. If I was to change that that benchmark to, for example, bakery, it's a much closer comparison to packaged bread, and therefore it becomes a different color coding. It's light green rather than dark green, which means it's not as significantly greater than bakery. It's really significantly different from all categories, but not that significantly different from bakery. You'll notice also that this black line has changed because the score has gone from 20 to 25 because we're now looking at bakery department. Also, the ranks, they want to change. The ranks apply to where your category sits out of all the categories in store. To understand what the color coding means, there's a little color palette up here, and it tells you how our confidence levels are set. So I've changed my category benchmark. I can also change my retailer benchmark just to be within Coles. So I'm now looking at packaged bread in Coles and comparing it and color coding it against bakery in Coles. So you can see here packaged bread, although it's significantly different from all categories in Coles and Woolworths, it's not that different from bakery in Coles. So that's really the dashboard. I can change different questions in here and show me different data, and I can toggle and change my category and retailer and benchmarks. I can also download. So if I click on here, I'm either given an option to download to Excel, download as a picture to PNG, or download to PPT. Now, downloading to PPT is mainly a picture in PPT, but some of them are linked to live PowerPoint charts, which you can edit and manipulate for your presentations. The other useful thing to have here is this little question mark here, which outlines what the question is you're looking at to help you understand if you're ever confused. Some of the information on some of these charts are difference to benchmark, rank, and it tells you how many they're ranked out of, and where applicable, a difference to year. We have the actual, we have the n equals, and we have the benchmark n equals. So all the information you could possibly need to understand this chart is here. The color coding, so these are grey, as per the color palette here. They are less than 90% confidence that they are significantly different. So this means that it's not significantly different, and you can tell that by the fact that they are so close to the black line there. Okay, so that's all I'm going to show in the dashboard. I think it's fairly simple and quite intuitive. Don't worry, you can't break this. If you have any questions, please contact your client service contact. Thank you.